Welcome back to Test and Quiz, the ultimate hub for tests and quizzes. Welcome to the Australian Citizenship Practice Test. This is Practice Test 5, focusing on Australian values. You'll have 20 questions to test your knowledge. Let's see how many you get right. Are you ready? Let's begin the test. What does a fair go mean in Australian society? A. Only wealthy people have opportunities for success. B. Everyone deserves an equal opportunity to achieve success. C. Success is only determined by social class. The correct answer is everyone deserves an equal opportunity to achieve success. How does Australian law ensure fairness in employment? A. Employers must select candidates based on their skills and experience. B. Jobs are only given to people from wealthy backgrounds. C. Only men can apply for certain jobs. The correct answer is employers must select candidates based on their skills and experience. Which of the following is true about success in Australia? A person's success should be based on their hard work and talents. B. Only people from privileged backgrounds can achieve success. C. Ethnicity determines success more than effort. The correct answer is a person's success should be based on their hard work and talents. What does equality of opportunity mean in Australia? A. People should have the same chances to succeed, regardless of their background. B. Only citizens are allowed to have equal opportunities. C. Some groups of people should have more privileges. The correct answer is people should have the same chances to succeed, regardless of their background. Which factors should determine if a person gets a job in Australia? A. Their gender or ethnicity. B. Their skills and experience. C. Their wealth or family connections. The correct answer is their skills and experience. What does a fair go prevent in Australian society? A. Discrimination based on social class. B. Equal treatment for all people. C. Hard work from determining success. The correct answer is discrimination based on social class. Which of the following is an example of equal opportunity? A. A company hiring based on merit rather than background. B. Giving preference to wealthy applicants for jobs. C. Choosing employees based on personal connections. The correct answer is a company hiring based on merit rather than background. Which of the following is not an example of equality of opportunity? A. Hiring the most skilled and experienced candidate. B. Denying someone a job because of their ethnicity. C. Providing education access to all individuals. The correct answer is denying someone a job because of their ethnicity. How have many new migrants succeeded in Australia? A. By relying on government support. B. Through hard work and enterprise. C. By receiving special privileges. The correct answer is through hard work and enterprise. What is the key message of a fair go in Australia? A. Success should depend on effort, not background. B. Only a few people should have access to opportunities. C. Wealth determines a person's ability to succeed. The correct answer is success should depend on effort, not background. What does mutual respect and tolerance mean in Australia? A. Only respecting people who share the same opinions. B. Respecting the freedom, dignity, and choices of others. C. Agreeing with everyone to avoid conflict. The correct answer is respecting the freedom, dignity, and choices of others. Which of the following is illegal in Australia? A. Peacefully disagreeing with someone. B. Using violence or verbal abuse against another person. C. Expressing different opinions respectfully. The correct answer is using violence or verbal abuse against another person. What is the legal stance on violence in Australia? A. Violence is acceptable in some situations. B. Violence of any kind, including verbal abuse, is illegal. C. Physical violence is illegal, but verbal abuse is allowed. The correct answer is violence of any kind, including verbal abuse, is illegal. Which statement is true about disagreements in Australia? A. Disagreements must always be avoided. B. Disagreements should be peaceful and respectful. C. Disagreements should be settled with force if necessary. The correct answer is disagreements should be peaceful and respectful. What is the legal age of sexual consent in Australia? A. 16 or 17, depending on the state or territory. B. 15 years old across all states. C. There is no legal age of consent in Australia. The correct answer is 16 or 17, depending on the state or territory. Which of the following is illegal in all Australian states and territories? A 20-year-old having sexual relations with a 15-year-old. B. Two consenting adults in a relationship. C. A 17-year-old dating an 18-year-old. The correct answer is a 20-year-old having sexual relations with a 15-year-old. Which of the following actions is considered unacceptable under Australian law? A. Respecting someone else's opinions even if you disagree. B. Using intimidation or threats against someone. C. Participating in peaceful debates. The correct answer is using intimidation or threats against someone. Why are there strict laws against violence in Australia? A. To protect people's right to be safe and free from harm. B. Because disagreements should never happen. C. To prevent people from expressing different opinions. The correct answer is to protect people's right to be safe and free from harm. What is a key value in Australian society regarding respect? A. People must agree with each other to maintain peace. B. People should respect each other's freedom and dignity. C. Respect is only given to people of higher status. The correct answer is people should respect each other's freedom and dignity. How should people handle differing opinions in Australia? A. By debating and discussing them peacefully. B. By using threats or violence to prove a point. C. By ignoring people with different views. The correct answer is by debating and discussing them peacefully. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And practice more tests from our playlists.